Hello, welcome to Seaholm High School's World Language Department. My name is Carlos Torres, and I'm the head of the Languages Department here at Seaholm. The mission of the World Language Department at Seaholm is to educate students in the acquisition of a new language and its respective culture. In our classes, our students learn to listen, read, write, and speak in the target language, while also gaining relevant cultural insight and experience. This learning, we believe, will help them learn to become reflective, compassionate, and honorable members of our interdependent global society. Our staff is committed to teaching the 5 C's of foreign language: communication, culture, connections, comparisons, and communities. We are proud to offer 4 languages within our program: Chinese, French, Spanish, and a new program in American Sign Language. Our programs have 4 levels: the graduation requirement level, which is 1 and 2, and could potentially fulfill a graduation requirement. Next is the honors level, with levels 3 and 4, which is expected by most selective universities. Next is the advanced placement level, which is the AP course. Possible college credit could be earned while in high school. And the perspectives level, which is an immersion type experience with literature, art, film, culture, and history as the main focus. When our students enter Seaholm, they could begin their language study in levels 1, 2, or 3, depending on their particular language and prior experience, as well as current proficiency. Incoming students are recommended to follow the middle school teacher's recommendation, as there is no placement exam for incoming students. Students who have no experience with the language typically sign up for level 1, and students who have at least 1 year of a language may place into levels 2 or higher in high school. If you have questions, please contact the department head, Carlos Torres, at ctorres@birmingham.k12.mi.us. The graduation requirement for languages in Birmingham Public Schools is 2 credits of the same language, with at least 1 of those credits taken in grades 9 to 12, and also being higher than the last successful middle school experience. Some typical examples are: a student who takes level 1 in middle school and level 2 in high school has met the graduation requirement. A student who takes levels 1 and 2 in middle school and level 3 in high school has also met the graduation requirement. However, a student who takes level 1 and level 2 in middle school and repeats level 2 in high school has not met the graduation requirement yet, as they need to fulfill level 3 of that language in order to meet the requirement of being higher than the last successful middle school experience. Another example is multiple languages, taking level 1 of French, for example, and level 1 of ASL. That graduation requirement has not been met since the student needs to complete 2 levels of 2 different languages. There are other situations that come up, so please contact the department head or the counseling department if you have any questions. The course sequencing at Seaholm is level 1, 2, and 3, and in level 4, the default is the honors program for most of our students. However, there is also a level 4 non-honors option for students only in Spanish. After level 4 honors, advanced placement, and honors perspectives. Students who complete level 4 are also eligible to enroll in honors perspective. Some of our options for our students outside of the classroom are the International Club, the National Honor Society for Spanish, as well as trips that have taken place recently and upcoming trips to France, Peru, Spain, and Central Europe. The ASL program also has a Deaf and Blind Week. Please visit our department website or contact us if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you for visiting.